In this video, I will walk you through how to download and install Adobe Acrobat. Before we begin, as an end user, it's important to note that your administrator must assign the license through the admin console. Once the license is assigned, you will receive a Get Started email. This email contains important instructions and links to initiate the download process. To begin, we will click on the Get Started link. We'll be directed to a login screen where we will enter our credentials. Please note the user must use the same email address to sign into Adobe and complete their profile. If an Adobe account already exists, users should sign out and sign back in. After logging in, the user will be presented with two options: Skip for Now or Join Team. To proceed with the installation, click on Join Team in case they're a new user, or else they will be directly logged into a business profile. Next, the user will need to log in using their business profile credential. This ensures that they are accessing Adobe Acrobat under the correct account. Once logged in, the user will have access to download the Acrobat installer. Navigate to Get Your Apps and click on the Download button next to Adobe Acrobat. This will initiate the installation process, which includes both the Creative Cloud and the Adobe Acrobat app. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can easily download and install Adobe Acrobat onto your device. Hey, thanks for watching.